Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kid Utensils Set is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked items for parents navigating the exciting, and sometimes messy, world of feeding their little ones, as choosing the right set can significantly impact a child's transition to self-feeding, fostering independence, and making mealtime a more enjoyable and less stressful experience for both the child and the caregiver. Number 5. CHILLOUT Life Stainless Steel Kids Silverware Set. Discover the perfect dining companion for your little ones. This set is designed with safety and durability in mind. With 15 pieces included, your child will have everything they need for mealtime. It includes spoons, forks, and knives, all perfectly sized for small hands. We prioritize your child's safety. This flatware is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's safe for even the youngest eaters. Crafted from robust stainless steel, this cutlery set is built to last. It can withstand daily use and is easy to clean. This metal kids cutlery set provides a complete solution for your child's dining needs. Make every meal a little more enjoyable. What we like. This set offers exceptional durability with its stainless steel construction. If you're looking for a long-lasting silverware solution for your children that can withstand daily use and is easy to clean, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for families who want a reliable and safe option for mealtimes. What people say. The utensils are designed with a comfortable grip that makes them easy for little hands to hold. The set includes a fork, spoon, and knife, all perfectly sized for toddlers and preschoolers. The durable material ensures the utensils can withstand frequent use and washing. Number 4. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your little ones to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed to spark their imagination in the kitchen. Crafted from healthy, BPA-free materials like wood and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are designed for little hands. They are durable, non-toxic, and perfect for pretend play. With a wooden knife, stainless steel options, serrated cutters, and more, this comprehensive set offers a variety of styles and uses. It includes everything they need to get creative. Featuring cute designs and ergonomic handles, these tools are lightweight and easy to grip. They are perfect for cutting soft foods like bananas, cucumbers, and carrots. This set encourages hands-on learning and creativity as children imitate adult cooking. It's a wonderful way to boost their confidence and fine motor skills. Cooking together is a fantastic way to strengthen parent-child relationships. Let them join you in the kitchen and create delicious pretend meals. What we like. This set provides a realistic and safe introduction to cooking for young children. If your child is curious about the kitchen and you want to foster their independence and creativity with age-appropriate tools, this is perfect. It's great for encouraging hands-on learning and family bonding time. What people say. The utensils are made of food-grade silicone, which is soft and safe for babies. The handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, making it easy for toddlers to hold and use. The set includes a fork and spoon, perfect for self-feeding practice. Number 3. Tovla JR Kids Real Cooking and Baking Ultimate Gift Set. Looking for the perfect gift for your little chef? This ultimate cooking and baking set is designed for kids, offering a premium experience for Christmas or birthdays. This comprehensive kit includes everything a child needs to get started in the kitchen. From kid-safe knives and an apron to a visual cookbook and all the essential tools, it's a complete set for ages 6 to 12. Inspired by Montessori principles, this set makes learning fun. It teaches valuable skills like fractions and independence through colorful tools and easy-to-follow recipes in the visual cookbook. Crafted with premium quality, these tools are built for real use, not just pretend play. Parents can trust the durability for long-lasting family fun in the kitchen. This set promotes healthy eating habits with a special card for recipe swaps and encourages quality family time. Everything is conveniently stored in a reusable case, making it an organized and thoughtful gift. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one gift for aspiring young chefs. If you're searching for a comprehensive and high-quality present for a child's birthday or holiday, this set has everything they need. It's designed to blend learning with fun, making it ideal for kids aged 6 to 12 who love to cook and bake. What people say. The utensils are perfectly sized for toddlers and have a good grip. The set is easy for my child to hold and use, and it's made of durable material. I love that the fork tines are not sharp, making it safe for my little one. Number 2. Pimoys Toddler Utensils Kid Silverware Set. This set includes 12 pieces of stainless steel utensils, with 6 forks and 6 spoons. It's enough for daily use and travel, perfect for home or on the go. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, these are BPA-free and easy to clean. They are designed to be safe for babies learning to self-feed. Each piece is approximately 4.9 by 1 inches, a comfortable size for little hands. Available in pink, blue, and green, with 4 pieces in each color. The smooth, round handles are safe to hold and help children learn table manners without hurting their lips or hands. They are ideal for self-feeding practice. With a simple, modern design and durable, reusable quality, these make a lovely gift for baby showers or friends. The neutral colors suit both boys and girls. What we like. Designed for little hands, these utensils feature comfortable, round handles perfect for self-feeding. If you are looking for baby or toddler utensils that promote easy grip and learning table manners, this set is an excellent option. Its high-quality stainless steel and dishwasher-safe feature make it a practical choice for busy parents. What people say. The utensils are made of food-grade silicone, which is soft and safe for babies. The handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, making it easy for toddlers to hold and maneuver. The set includes a fork and spoon, perfect for self-feeding practice and developing fine motor skills. Number 1. Plaskidy 16-piece Plastic Toddler Utensils Set. Get a fantastic value pack with 16 pieces of toddler cutlery, including 8 spoons and 8 forks. Your little ones will love having their own set that's perfectly sized and safe for them. Rest assured, these utensils are made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic. We prioritize your child's health, ensuring no toxic materials are used in their creation. Crafted with premium, durable plastic, these utensils are built to last. They are reusable, dishwasher-safe, and designed to maintain their shape, making mealtime easy. These are the ideal size for packing in lunchboxes for school. They hold up well without bending, ensuring your child can enjoy their meals anywhere. The spoons are solid and retain their shape, while the forks are safe yet effective for spearing food. They are designed for children's hands and safety. We are confident you'll love this toddler silverware set. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we offer a 100% hassle-free guarantee for peace of mind. What we like. This set offers a fun and vibrant collection of utensils perfect for on-the-go meals. If you need durable, lightweight, and brightly colored cutlery for your child's lunchbox or for travel, this is a great pick. Its BPA-free and dishwasher-safe design ensures safety and convenience for everyday use. What people say. The utensils are made of food-grade silicone, which is soft and safe for babies. The set includes a spoon, fork, and knife, perfect for toddlers learning to self-feed. The ergonomic design of the handles makes them easy for little hands to grip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.